iOS 27 force unknown call to say who they are before your iPhone ring. Simply open your settings to general software update. Must be update your iOS 27. I'm already update my iOS 27. Go back, go to your main settings page. Scroll down, press on to apps and find here to phone apps. Just open this, scroll down, and I'm getting screen unknown caller option. Select never call from unsaved number will ring and missed call will be displayed on the recent list. Okay, never, that's means show any unknown caller. Ask reason for calling, then call from unsaved number will be asked for more information before iPhone rings. Or if you totally mute, select to silent, and must be select to call filtering option. When you receive any unknown number to call, make it silent and filter this. Okay, filter and silent. Okay, and you get to filter to get unknown number, showing it to this. That's it.